Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ryan Troyer TV. In this episode, I'm going to show you a little bit inside my junk removal business, removing a hot tub. How do we do it? All you need is a Sawzall blades and 2 bodies to do it. We're going to cut it in 4 sections. Easy in and out, shouldn't take more than 40 minutes most of the time. So let's dive right into it and make that money. So all you need to really do this, Sawzall and a blade that can demo through the fiberglass. There's basically 4 cuts that we want to make. Down that side, right where the seat is, we want to cut all the way around there. That's the easiest point. Down that side in half, and 1 down this side. That's going to put it in 4 sections, and we part those off. The base, we'll get there.
If your hot tub does have a lot of water and you don't have a drain, just simply cut around the fiberglass a few different spots and let the water slowly drain out. I'm going to link below the blade that I used for this hot tub. Typically, you shouldn't need more than 2 blades. I do want to point out right here that the wood frame going all the way around the hot tub, you do need to make sure that you cut that while you're cutting through the fiberglass. If you don't, it's going to be a complete pain trying to quarter this hot tub out and remove each section. The hot tub water lines, you might miss those, but they are going to be in there. As you pull apart the hot tub fiberglass from the main portion, you should be able to see those lines. Cut them with the Sawzall real quick. As you can see here, this is the pattern that I use for all hot tub removals. I don't really like to just cut them in half. It's just easier for me to quarter them out into 4 sections. After your cut's done, simply wiggle it, push it, pull it, whatever you have to do. Possibly use a pry bar depending on your situation. Overall, it's a simple process whether you're a DIYer or doing this for a business. Sawzall, extension cord, eye protection, that's pretty much all you need. 1 person could do this themselves, 2 is recommended. Each hot tub is different, but it's all the same concept. Everybody has their own preference. I like manageable, lighter pieces rather than cutting the hot tub in half. It's just easier for me and it works.
Okay, we got the last of the 4 sections quartered there, loaded in the truck. Now we just have the base. One thing I forgot to mention, always make sure the hot tub is disconnected. If you don't know how to do it, have an electrician do it who's licensed. And this is what we're left with. So now we basically have to cut the frame a couple times. That can stay as one unit. We gotta disconnect the motors here. Those are pretty heavy, so we normally haul those out separately. So let's get back to the time lapse and wrap this up. Okay, it took about 45 minutes, cut it up, loaded it up. It took a half a truckload. We got 14-foot long bed and 4-foot high walls. 45 minutes in and out. If you're just using a pickup truck and you're a DIYer, I'm really not sure how many loads it would be. Probably at least 2.5 pickup truck loads, something like that. But that's it, easy, DIY, anybody can do it. Sawzall, eye protection, possibly some earplugs, and an extension cord. If you like this little how-to DIY, drop a comment below. If I did something wrong, you have a better way, drop another comment below. Be sure to like it and subscribe for more content. All right guys, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.